Hi guys, I continue tutorial and this video this is part 4 of making a platformer with Panic Station Scratch. So let's get started. Okay, so since the last time I done published this tutorials of platformer with Panic Station, but now finally the part 4 where we're going to code the collision block. So let's get started. So go to the pen platformer sprite and search the collision block. And now let's code it. Put an if. Okay guys. So put an and. So put a greater than in the left side of the and. And put in the left side of the greater than put a minus and x minus a scroll x. If it's greater than, so here put an item and put this input. So and the list is yes here. Oh wait, sorry. Here Linux. Okay, but minus 15. Okay, so put here in the right side of the greater than, and in the end duplicate all of this but change it. So of this remove it because now it's a lesser than, and now this item of Linux, this is converted to a plus. Okay, and plus 15. Okay, and now so x minus scroll x if it's lesser than this. Okay, and put it like that. Put an if false. Okay, so put an equal if this item of Linux is equal to the same but of Linux 2. Put an if put an and. So all of this, well, then delete it, and it's better to duplicate all of this. Okay, so put it there, but change it, put in Y, a scroll Y, line Y, Y, scroll Y, unlike y2. So change the scroll x by put a divide, and in the right side of the divide put a times, and in the left side of the divide put 2 minus. Okay, and in the right side of the minus, this minus, okay. So blank minus scroll x minus this item of this input of line x divided by apps of the same of this, put it here in the apps, okay, times negative 15. Say the project, set scroll x to a scroll x, set x velocity or xb to put times, so put xb times negative 0.85. If key up arrow pressed, okay, set yble or yb to negative 8, and set xb to xb times 2. Okay, and now put an if so put an equal if item of the input of the collision is equal to of color is equal to yellow, broadcast a new message called completed, and stop this script. Okay, save the project, and let's continue coding this block. Okay, So now make a new variable called y ASCII with double S and an I. Okay. And it doesn't matter if you put the variables for a spread or for the spread only. So in the else, put say y ASCII to so put a plus, put a minus, put a divide, put a minus, put a times, and put a divide. Sorry guys, in one then of the times delete the divide and put 2 minus. Okay, we have a lot of blocks. And now let's put things there. So duplicate this and put it not color, put it line Y. Duplicate line Y2. Duplicate line Y. Okay, now duplicate line X2. Duplicate line X. Okay. And now here blank minus scroll X. Wait, oh. Minus scroll X minus duplicate this of the line X. Okay, so this was very complicated, right? A lot of blocks. And now put an equals. Okay guys, say the project we're reaching the 400 blocks, but I want to finish this collision block. Okay, because that was the purpose of the tutorial and I want to finish it. Put an end. Okay, and now in the left side put a greater than and put in both sides a minus in each. Okay, and in the right side of the end put a lesser than, and in the left side put a minus, and in the right side put a plus. So y minus square y if it's greater than y-AC. Oh wait, y-AC minus 15 and y minus square y if it's lesser than y-AC plus 15. Okay, say the project. Set a square y to put a minus, and in the right side of the minus put a plus. So y minus y-AC plus 15. Okay, say the project. Set y, put a times. So y times 0.9. Okay, and set yb to 0. Okay, so put an if key up arrow pressed. Okay, sorry guys, put an or and guys remember here duplicate item. Oh wait, item the input of collision of color if it's equal to pink. Say the project. Set yb to -8. Okay, and put an if. So if item the input of collision of color is equal to pink. Okay, change yb by -2. Okay, and finally the last of the video, change xb by, change y by bullet times yb times -0.5. Okay, so we finished the collision block. And now save the project and let's see if we have any changes. Well, not, but okay, so we can jump very high. That's the change. But we still have this bug. But maybe we're going to solve it in the next tutorial. So for now, guys, bye bye.